Venus has seen her love in the arms of the queen. Shit is going down.
Oh, me, you juggler, you canker blossom, you thief of love. What? You come by night and stole my love's heart from him?
My faith, have you no modesty, no maiden shame, no touch of bashfulness? What? Will you tear impatient answers from my gentle tongue? Fie, you counterfeit, you puppet, you.
Yeah.
Puppet? Why so? And that way goes the game. Between our statures, she has her height. With her personage, her tall personage, have you grown so high in his esteem because I'm so dwarfish and so low? Hello, am I? Painted maple, speak. Hello, am I? I'm not yet so low, but that my nails can reach into thine eyes.
Good thing we were here. That could have gotten out of hand.
Yeah, we're the true defenders of the forest.
Yeah, we're so lit. We even have our own theme song.
That's right. We're men. We're men in tights. We go all around the forest looking for fights. We're men. We're men in tights. We rob from the rich and give to the poor. That's right. We may look like sissies, but don't get us wrong or else we'll put out your lights. We're men. We're men in tights. Always on guard defending the people's rights.
Yeah, that's right.
Right here. That's right. Hey, who are you?
Who do you guys think you are?
We're the men in tights.
We rob from the rich.
They give to the poor.
That's right.
What kind of men wear tights?
We're men. Men. We're men in tights. Yes. We go all around the forest looking for fights. We're men. We're men in tights. We rob from the rich and give to the poor. That's right. We may look like pansies, but don't get us wrong or else we'll punch out your lights. We're men. We're men in tights, tights, tights. Always on guard defending the people's rights. When you're in a fix, just call for the men in tights.